Saffron, when combined with the refreshing essence of mint, offers a plethora of benefits that extend beyond their individual virtues. Saffron and mint offer a range of health benefits. Saffron, often hailed as a natural antidepressant, can help alleviate mood disorders. It contains compounds like crocin and safranal, which have been linked to improving mood and reducing symptoms of depression. Mint, on the other hand, is renowned for its digestive properties. It can help soothe an upset stomach and alleviate symptoms of indigestion. One of the most remarkable aspects of saffron and mint is their antioxidant prowess. Saffron is rich in antioxidants that combat oxidative stress, helping to protect cells from damage. Mint also boasts antioxidant properties that can neutralize harmful free radicals in the body. Together, they form a potent duo that supports overall health and may even contribute to a youthful glow. Saffron's antioxidants can promote a radiant complexion by reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles.